Dr. Marty Schwartz here in New York City to show you my new effect called walking through a brick wall. This was an effect that was done by Houdini in 1914 in the Hippodrome Theater in New York City. And what Houdini did was he had masons come on stage. They built a wall. He put a small screen on one side, small screen on the other side. Behind one screen, he would raise his hand, said, "Here I am." A second later, he was on the other side of the wall, raising his hand, saying, "Here I am." So today we're going to try to recreate that same effect. But of course, we're not going to be building a brick wall. What I have here is a picture of a brick wall, which can be examined. Okay? And we're going to use a deck of cards. Now, from the deck of cards, any card can be selected. Let's say it's this card over here. This is not a forced card, so it can be signed. So it's a 6 of spades. That can be signed. It's placed in the deck. The deck is cut, and the deck is placed back into the box like this. Okay? So now, let me just place the deck back into the box like this. We'll close the deck up like this. And let me explain exactly what happened. The screen was placed on one side of the wall, screen on the other side of the wall. Houdini went on one side of the wall. He raised his hand and said, "Here I am, here I am." Watch me carefully now, because in a second later, as I said, Houdini was on the other side of the wall. So we're going to take the deck like this, place it on top of the wall, and see if we can make Houdini come through the wall. Watch the magic now. It happened. Look, right through the wall. There's the signed card, and that is walking through a brick wall.